Well, hello there everyone, and welcome back to Time to Cook. I am Chef Christy. Today I am making homemade sloppy joes. These are super easy and quick. You can make this in less than 30 minutes. And you don't need a can of manwich. All you need is just a few ingredients. So let me go over everything that you will need to make your delicious sloppy joes. So what I have here is a pound of ground beef, but you could also use ground turkey or ground chicken. I have an 8-ounce can of tomato sauce and a half of a cup of ketchup. Then I have 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce and 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Then I have chopped a half of an onion, and I also have about a half of a cup of chopped green bell pepper and 2 garlic cloves. And then to season, you'll just need some salt and pepper. And then I have a half of a teaspoon of garlic powder and a half of a teaspoon of minced onion. And then this is optional. If you want to add a little kick or a little bit of heat, you can add some red pepper flakes. So I added my ground beef to a large skillet. And then I'm going to add my chopped onion, my chopped green bell pepper, and I'm mincing my garlic using my garlic press. So I'm just going to let all this cook together until that ground beef is cooked completely through. So I'm going to add the tomato sauce and the ketchup. I'm going to add the mustard. The Worcestershire sauce, the vinegar, the brown sugar, the garlic powder and minced onion. I'm going to add a pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper. And I'm going to add just a couple shakes of these red pepper flakes. Okay, folks, that's all there is to it. Super easy. And I'm toasting up my buns. I mean, you've got to toast your buns, right? So in less than 30 minutes, you can have a delicious homemade sloppy joe, and it is definitely better than the can of manwich. I'm just saying. Oh my goodness. They don't call it sloppy for nothing, right? I think I got sauce on my face. Okay guys, I hope that you give this one a try. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon with more recipes.